This says state whether the following statements are true or false. If false, rewrite the correct form of the statement by changing, very important, the first or last word only. Now this need not be true every time. Sometimes they may give you a word that's underlined and you need to change that. Or sometimes they ask you to change the whole sentence. So read this very carefully. So this one requires us to change only the first or last word. So let's look at the first one. In mammals, fertilization takes place in the oviduct. That's true. So you put down true. Second one, the lens in the eye becomes more convex to look at distant objects. If you remember, we said when you're looking at close by objects, it becomes thicker, which is more convex. And when you look at far off or distant objects, it's got to become thinner. So that can't be true. So this one is false. And then you put down the right sentence, which is the lens in the eye. And then you put down the whole sentence. I'm going to take a shortcut for now. You can't afford to do that. And right at the end, at nearby objects. And underline the word or phrase that you've changed. Okay, let's move on to the third one. This says the cochlea is concerned with the sense of vision. The cochlea, you should know by now, is in the ear. And that has nothing to do with vision. So obviously it's false. And this time you put down that the cochlea is concerned with the sense of hearing. Okay, and underline it. Number 4, hyposecretion of insulin causes diabetes insipidus. Now, insulin definitely has something to do with diabetes, but it's definitely not insipidus. Diabetes insipidus goes with the ADH hormone. So definitely there's something fishy here. Hyposecretion of insulin, which is an undersecretion of insulin, it causes diabetes mellitus. So this is again false. And you put down hyposecretion of insulin causes diabetes mellitus. Number 5, it says vaccines give active immunity, which is absolutely true because vaccines are introduced into our body, either injected or orally given, and then our body produces the antibodies, so it is active immunity. And that's this part done. Let's move on to the next one.